Let's quickly review how easy it is to create reports and charts using, in this case, we'll take business objects as the data source that we have a connector to. So just to briefly go back to what we've shown in the different videos, we recognize the schema, metadata, any kind of relationships that these vendor APIs offer. In other words, these are formulas that are business objects universe derived. And you can see if we pull this into our package level, we also recognize any of the relationships that exist between these objects. You can see we've created packages before in the previous demonstrations. And let's just drop this down. You can see that we're aware of all the different types of mappings that we need. So let's go into cell source, and the idea of cell source is to build a query against these packages. And literally, for example, we'll drop this in, and these are the relationships that exist for us to build a query. No need of a programming language or to know business objects or any of these other connectors. Literally a single interface to shield the end user from the relationships and also all the different queries, query languages and query building interfaces required to speak directly to these applications. DataRoket is the one interface to all these connectors. So let's go into an existing query. We'll drop into cell dynamics, existing BO query, and they're all the same from different demos that we've done. But let me go ahead and save this. We're going to save this as real time in this case, and let's call this BO fiscals real time. So let me go ahead, we'll save that. You'll see this in the real time tree. And let me clear this. Let me show the relationship. And really the relationship is the query that defines that BO fiscals real-time cell. Let me go and generate this cell. This should be already available to reports now. It's all that quick. So let me take a look at the reports. There's the BO fiscal real-time we've just created. Let's go into something a touch more interesting. Let's go ahead into our custom report view. We'll just grab some values. It makes no difference. And let's just show that data. And let's go ahead, and even though not numeric, in other words, sum of or average, we can define and slice this, slice the dimensions, in this case by week value. So let's go ahead and show that. And as you can see, there's also a formula. It can always be removed, but the idea of the formula, as we've shown in previous videos, let me double click. You can see now if I need a formula based on any of the numerics or measures that exist, it's already all set, and we can put whatever values we want into the formula. Let me cancel this. Let me go ahead, and you can see the different filters available, and we've shown this before in the previous videos. Let me go ahead and get out of this. We'll take a look at maybe a chart view of the same information. So let's go into charts. Let's see if we can find something that's somewhat pretty to show. Let's say perhaps year, fiscal period, quarter, and we'll define this chart by week. Let's generate it. And you'll see the different information. Once again, we're in the chart builder, and in the dashboard screen you'll see this maximized. Let's just quickly flip through the different types of charts. You can see very quick and dynamic. And of course all drill through. And we can even add month and generate this again. Let's scroll up. Let's refresh. And you see if I go back to the first tier, something a little bit more. And there you see the second value of month is also tied into the year. And that's how quick it is to build a report and graph against one of the data connectors that DataRoket offers. Thank you for your time.